we have wonderful produce bags. These wraps, instead of cellophane, you can use these for anything. Eco produce bags. This is awesome. A wonderful shampoo that's good for you and the planet. These you can play hacky sack with. Dogs will love it. This is
It opens up into a shopping bag.
bamboo toothbrush. Did you know that plastic toothbrushes last over 50 years? This is bamboo toothbrushes. Dental lace instead of all that horrible stuff you put into the
Yeah, you can refill these. Don't have to throw them away when you're done. Just buy more floss and refill it.
some secret mystery.
Yeah,
This is the library.
yeah, this is for dishwashing. Wiping your kitchen counter.
So reusable, not throw away. Scrubbers that are biodegradable. They hold a tremendous amount of water. They're reusable, washable in your dishwasher. And these are, they can be used on anything from your boat to your dishes. They're scouring pads made with recycled paper and those are good for the planet.
You know, I looked it up. I don't think it says it on here, and I looked it up. It is all natural fibers, and they last so long. They outlast other scrubbers. These are great. These will replace your paper towels.
Reusable. Put them in the dishwasher, put them in the water.
Well, I think what I'm most interested in is the plastic instead of plastic. What are show me those again?
These are
Not the toothbrush. The
Produce bags.
produce bags.
you can
Are these washable too?
They are, and the great thing about these is that you can use them for bulk bin food too, like rice, pasta, beans,
Okay.
cereal, anything you might get out of the bulk bins.
Okay.
So that will really help you reduce your
and
food
these
packaging.
are instead of cellophane, they are covers. They're sticky, and they're also easy to clean and reusable.
Wow.
Love those.
Perfect. Okay, food dry. Because that's something I use a lot. I'll have half an avocado or something, and I put cellophane over the other half to keep it fresh.
That's exactly what I use those for. If I have an open apple or tomato.
Right,
or
exactly.
avocado, just wrap it up,
Cover an onion with it.
Right.
and it works very well. It keeps my
And where can we
fresh.
find these?
You can find them on my website.
What's that?
It is www.ecoinspirationsnw.com.
Okay.
I have lots of kits on my website.
Perfect. Well, thank you very much. And what's your name?
My name is Gina Lassing.
Gina Lassing from ecoinspirations.com. Thank you for sharing.
Thank you.
And Kim Allchurch Flick from Mighty Epiphyte. Thank you for the unwrapping party.